Good day, everyone. We are the Topic I, and we're gonna talk about water pollution, soil pollution, and solid waste management. I'm Joella Anne-Marie Ponteras, and my group mates are De La Serna Catherine and Elorde Rovelin. We have two agenda. Number one is importance, understanding water and soil pollution and the waste management. Number two is the introduction to environmental protection laws for water and soil pollution. Importance, understand water and soil pollution and waste management. Water and soil pollution represent two major categories of environmental pollution. Siyempre, yung water and soil polluting substance are often due to the man-made. Man-made we're talking about as human being. We are the one who produce the waste such as the household garbage na galing sa mga bahay natin. Also in manufacturing, and also the agriculture waste with a bigger impact as whole. Dito na kasing pumapasok yung fertilizers and uses by the farmer. And also in industrial yung mga oil spill and some are the radioactive materials. Introducing this waste will not only protect the environment, but will also can save as cost or reducing expenses. Makakatipid pa tayo if we're reducing the waste and also in how we do our disposal property. We have the benefits of waste management, not as our health, but our health of our environment. To reduce the pollution, we also conserve the resources and the energy that we have today because resources is a scarcity. And also, we can prevent the damage of ecosystem we're living in. To broaden our understanding about pollution, magto-talk about muna tayo sa water. Ano nga ba itong water? At ano ba yung mga resources natin sa water? Siyempre kumukuha tayo ng mga resources sa river, some streams, lakes, water reservoir, springs, also groundwater. And today, we suffer the cause of El Nino. And we recognize the importance of water because we suffer for losses of this. And also, we suffer also the quality that water district given to us. Kung malinis ba yun? Pero it's contaminated by toxic. Sabi nga nila chlorine. And it's bad for human consumption, syempre. And also the environment. Water is, very vulnerable. And also, the demand. Sa sobrang laki ng pollution natin as a human being. It's a universal solvent nga, sabi nga. Yun. And we are not able to, yung water is not able to dissolve more substance than any liquid on earth. So, in this term, we not just need. We are responsible for our water. And that's why water is important to understanding well when it comes to waste management. We're talking about later. The other one is the soil pollution. There will be many root cause of soil pollution. One is the agriculture. When producing food, you need a land. And also, you apply some of the farmer is applying pesticide that is not healthy for the soil. And it's polluted our soil. Also, the excessive industrial activity. It causes the soil lose its good microorganism. And this is why the poor management is in disposal the waste. Also among this have also nagkakaroon ng contamination caused by a human tao ang gumagawa ng problema. And this may mga dito sa mining, the military activities, these are also yung mga technologies na we develop and napupunta sa nagiging wastewater na lang at nagkakos ng problem. Pati na rin sa pag-epekto ng urbanization ng tao. Lumalaki ang population ng tao, lumalaki rin ang pollution sa soil. Kasi the transport infrastructure causing a bad impact to our soil. And also, ito lang yung hinahighlight ko dito, yung non-biodegradable chemical pesticides. Pag marito ng non-biodegradable, it's very toxic in soil. And this is the largest sources of soil pollution. When in fact, our food is using a chemical pesticide. These are the waste management strategy. For water, we have a treatment facility where designed to speed up the natural process of preparing water because the natural process can keep up with the amount of water society to produce. But we also have the environmental protection. We're talking about the proper waste management because it keeps the harmful chemicals out of the soil and to our water and also the air. And ito na yung gagawin natin una is we prevent using single-use plastic, non-biodegradable materials, then it will help to safeguard our ecosystem because we minimize the uses of this, our consumption in this. And also, because of this, the resources we use in consumption is nako-conserve siya. And we do also that is reusing, recycling items that the reduced requirement of raw materials, hindi na makakonsume ng malaking energy para i-produce yun. And magpoprotekto sa energy rin natin and save the natural resources before yung mga basura is mag-e-end sa landfill disposal. Konti na lang mapupunta dun. The next reporter is Ravelin Alarde, and she will talk about introduction, environmental protection, and laws for water and soil pollution.
Environmental protection is the practice of protecting the natural environment by maintaining the quality of air, water, land, or ecosystem. The effects that humans have on their environment create issues for the natural environment. This can include air pollution, water pollution, and degradation of land. Introduction of environmental protection laws for water and soil pollution. So, what is environmental sustainability? Environmental sustainability involves making responsible choices that ensure the long-term health of our planet. Philippine laws that protects the soil. Republic Act No. 8749. The Act provides for the creation of national program of air pollution management focusing primarily on pollution prevention. For the promotion of mass media communication in order to create social awareness and active participation in air quality planning and monitoring. The second law is the Republic Act 6049, an act establishing a soil conservation demonstration station in the province of Davao Oriental, to be known as the Davao Oriental Soil Conservation Demonstration Station, and authorizing the appropriation of funds. The third law is the Republic Act No. 3082, an act to provide for a 5-year soil surveys and conservation program.
So good day everyone, I am Catherine De La Serna, the third reporter. So my topic was all about the Philippine law that protects water. So these are the Republic, the RA. So Republic Act number 9275, Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004, aims to protect the country's water bodies from pollution from land-based sources, industries and commercial establishments, agriculture, and community households activities. So the Republic Act number 2152, so Law of Waters of 1866, known as the Irrigation Act, which provided that the Spanish Law of Waters, the Civil Code then in force on all other existing laws dealing with the waters and irrigation system, shall continue in force as they are not incompatible with the irrigation. So the presidential decree, so number 1067, Water Code of the Philippines, providing for the utilization, exploitation, development, conservation, and protection of water resources to be subject to the control and regulation of the government through the NWRC, which is National Water Resources Code. So these are some of the law protect our soil and water. So, however, have you noticed that this law and protection are related to a single action? So, it's a climate action, which is more than simply a legal framework to address a global issue. So, it's our duty as humans to both demolish the problem and need to combat it. It's time to take action. So, take a step to make a positive impact by reducing our carbon footprint to supporting sustainable products. That's all. Thank you.